Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Tomato. Tomato is a delicious and nutritious vegetable. There are many pairs of tomatoes as vegetables. Tomatoes are available throughout the year in our country. It can be eaten raw as well as cooked or used to flavor food. Tomatoes are unbeatable in salads or as a dip. The role of tomatoes in keeping the body healthy is not new. Experts recommend eating tomatoes raw to get maximum benefits. And the price is very affordable. Food ingredients. Tomatoes contain vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, folic acid, lycopene, chromium and other important vitamins. Benefits. Tomatoes are also good for the heart. It helps in reducing cholesterol levels and blood pressure. So by eating tomatoes regularly, the risk of heart attack or stroke will also decrease. Tomatoes are very beneficial for diabetes. This vegetable keeps blood glucose levels under control. Tomatoes contain vitamin A which improves eyesight. Arjuna tree juice mixed with tomato juice and made into jelly daily reduces heart and chest pain. Vitamin K present in tomatoes helps in building strong bones. Along with helping to quit smoking, this vegetable is also effective in repairing the damage caused to the body due to smoking. Tomatoes provide the body with essential antioxidants that protect the body's cells from damage. This vegetable is beneficial for hair and teeth. Tomatoes play a role in keeping the kidneys healthy. Cabbage. Cabbage is basically a winter vegetable, more commonly known as cabbage. In this country, the green color is limited, but red color is also available in other countries. Nutrients. 1. Cabbage contains anti-cancer compounds called lupeol, diindolylmethane and sinigrin. Hence, intake of hibiscus prevents the growth of cancerous tumors. 2. Abdhakopi removes the problem of heartburn, flatulence, etc. 3. Cabbage is another essential vegetable for preventing kidney problems and for those suffering from these problems. For people suffering from kidney problems and undergoing dialysis, doctors advise them to cut up raw papaya and eat it raw. 4. Cabbage contains a large amount of vitamin C which increases the immunity of the body. 5. Consuming cabbage juice cures sore balls. 6. Cabbage leaves raw. If you can eat 50 grams daily, then you will not have periodia and any other dental problems. 7. Cabbage contains high fiber content which eases digestion and relieves constipation. 8. Abdhakopi is a good remedy for ulcer or peptic ulcer patients. Cabbage juice, if consumed regularly, provides relief to peptic ulcer patients. 9. Cabbage is a vegetable rich in beta-carotene, which is very effective in eye protection. 10. This multilayered vegetable is a rich source of phytochemicals, which protect the body and skin cells from damage. Cabbage has always been an unbeatable vegetable for glowing and beautiful skin. 11. Cabbage is rich in vitamins that prevent hair loss and promote new hair growth. 12. Cabbage soup not only reduces your body weight, but also helps you to regain your previous body shape. Barley provides the body with adequate amounts of glutathione and antioxidants that help keep your liver functioning. 13. Mix 1 cup of cabbage juice, 1/4 of spinach juice in a glass of curd twice a day and you will get rid of your colitis problem in a very short time. Sweet potato. Potato stew, potato fritters, potato chips, French fries, any food made with potatoes are great to eat. These dishes are usually made with white potatoes. There is a type of potato called sweet potato, which is usually eaten boiled. Many people do not like to eat it. But did you know that this sweet potato contains a lot of beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin B6 fiber? US. According to the Food and Drug Administration, one sweet potato contains more than 100% of vitamin A, which meets the daily vitamin requirement. Sweet potatoes are just white, that's all we know. But do you know what other nutrients they contain? Sweet potatoes that have colored skins contain more nutrients than white sweet potatoes. One potato has 100 calories, 2 grams of protein, 22 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, 0 grams of fat. In addition, 260% of the daily requirement of vitamin A is available from one sweet potato. 12.6% vitamin B6, 28% vitamin C. Sweet potato is also a rich source of vitamin C and D. Vitamin C is essential for cold prevention and vitamin D for healthy bones, heart, nerves, skin and teeth. Vitamin C plays an important role in the formation of teeth, bones and cells. Vitamin C is needed to heal wounds, produce collagen in the body and keep skin supple. Source of iron. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of iron. It is useful in our body for making white blood cells, preventing stress, keeping the immune system effective. To prevent diabetes, sweet potatoes are naturally sweet, which regulates blood sugar levels. Natural sugar provides energy and relieves fatigue. Sweet potatoes naturally contain sugar, which mixes with the blood very slowly. In this, the body not only gets a regular supply of energy, but also maintains the balance of energy in the body. Nighttime disease. Its benefits can also be seen in the case of nightshade disease. In that case, the patient should be fed sweet potato with liver of animal. Apart from this plant is useful in the problem of kidney failure or premature ejaculation. Beta-carotene is one of the most important anti-cancer antioxidants. A medium-sized sweet potato contains vitamin A and beta-carotene. Protects the skin from the harmful rays of the sun, helps to maintain good eyesight.